Only group objects have attributes in sch-rnd. A typical group object is a symbol. It is possible to invoke the attribute editor using the right-click context menu over the symbol, but not over a terminal or floater. Hotkeys like AA also open the same attribute editor window, but also choose an attribute for making editing that attribute quicker. The attribute editor is split in two. The left side shows the concrete model, the attribute of the drawing object we are editing. The right side shows the result in the abstract model. In this example, we use a symbol which is compiled into an abstract component. When the name attribute is filled in and auto-compile triggers, both the component name and the name attribute on the right side are updated. The New button creates a new scalar attribute after entering a key and a value. The new attribute also propagates to the component during the next auto-compile. The Floater button places a Dyntext floater on the drawing, showing the attribute selected. Changing the key or value of an attribute is as easy as changing the strings on the left side of the dialog, then pressing Enter or clicking the Set button. Now that we changed the key of the attribute, the floater we previously created became invalid because it's still trying to display an attribute with the original key. This can be fixed in the floater, which is a text object. Edit it using ET. This invokes the dynamic text edit dialog because of the Dyntext flag of the object. Modify the old attribute key in the template to the new and close. An attribute can be removed using the Del button. This again breaks the floater, which we should remove now that the attribute is also removed. Hover over the text object and press the Delete key.